Society has programmed you to fail. Before you even understood the concept of money, you were sold a script, a pre-written, outdated blueprint designed in a different era for a different economy. They told you, get good grades, go into debt for a university degree, secure a stable job, work 40 hours a week for 40 years, and save pennies while inflation eats your purchasing power. The promise? To retire old, tired, and full of regret. That is the traditional path. And in today's hyper-competitive world, it is not a path. It is a guaranteed trap. Look around you. The rules of money have radically changed. In the past, making $100,000 a year was the definition of rich. It was reserved for doctors, lawyers, and corporate executives after decades of climbing the ladder. Today, in your 20s, $100K is not wealth. It is the absolute baseline for financial freedom. It is the minimum required to escape the rat race and build an actual empire. But you will never get there by trading your time for a fixed hourly rate. If your income is linear, your growth will be linear. We don't want linear growth. We want exponential acceleration. If you are watching this, you know you are meant for more than the median average. Today, I am giving you the exact, no BS blueprint to build that $100K system using the modern skill stack. We are not selling hype. We are building a mathematical architecture for wealth. Take notes. Chapter 1, the anchor skill. Step 1, you must develop an anchor skill. Do not mistake this for a hobby. Do not mistake this for a credential. You need a specific high-income skill that the market desperately needs. The marketplace is a ruthless machine. It does not pay you for your effort. It only pays you for the perceived value of the problem you solve. You must stop trying to do many things and master one skill that directly impacts a business's revenue. Copywriting, high-ticket sales, or, with the Zaeim aesthetic, professional, high-retention video editing and creative direction. Let's dissect this with an example that resonates here. Video editing. An average disposable editor just cuts clips together on a timeline. They are a commodity, a top 1% video. Architect, someone with an anchor skill, understands human psychology. They understand pacing, the dopamine loop of visual changes, narrative arcs, and the precise moments to hook a viewer's attention before they scroll. They are not selling editing. They are selling attention preservation. Choose your anchor skill with precision. Once chosen, focus all your mental energy on it. Master it. Build an invisible moat around yourself until you are in the top 20% of the world in that niche. You don't need to be the absolute best alive right now. You just need to be significantly better than the people who have money but lack the time or ability to do what you do. Your anchor skill is your foundation. It is the engine that generates your initial scalable cash flow. Without this foundation, the rest of this entire blueprint will collapse. Chapter 2, the AI multiplier. Step 2, the multiplier. This is where 99% of hard workers who are still stuck in the linear mindset fail. They master their anchor skill, and then they try to scale their income by working 14 hours a day, 7 days a week. They hit a ceiling of their own hours, and this always, inevitably leads to burnout and stagnation. The top 1% do not trade more time. They use leverage. And right now, in this precise moment in history, artificial intelligence is the greatest, most asymmetric point of leverage that has ever existed. You do not work harder. You work like a hybrid, a cyborg. Let's go back to our example. If you are a high-value video architect, you don't manually create every asset anymore. You are the conductor of an AI orchestra. You use AI tools to generate 10 variations of a perfect hook script in milliseconds. You use AI to generate custom lo-fi background tracks that match the mood perfectly, automated color grading, and flawless visual assets instantly. You are no longer the bottleneck. By combining your sophisticated human taste and strategic Understanding with AI speed, you don't just become 50% faster. You become an entire content agency wrapped inside one focused individual. AI doesn't replace the master. It multiplies the master. It turns you from a linear worker into an exponential system. Chapter 3: Client Acquisition. Step 3: Client Acquisition. You have the high-value skill. You have the AI multiplier speed. Now you need to turn that potential energy into actual money. You must build an outbound engine. This is the most critical hurdle. You cannot sit in the dark polishing your skills waiting to be discovered. Hope is not a strategy. Luck is not part of this equation. You must hunt. You need to identify businesses, content creators, or entrepreneurs who are already generating cash flow but have an obvious, painful bottleneck in their operations. They have the audience, but their video retention is low. They have the product, but their landing page copy is weak. This is how you approach them. You never ever ask for a job. Instead, you create personalized, undeniable upfront value. This is how you bypass the gatekeepers. You do the work before you are hired. Pick a dream client. Redesign their YouTube thumbnails with the Zaeim aesthetic. Rewrite their sales email. Or best of all, take their long-form video. Find the best minute and apply your high retention, AI multiplied editing style to create a viral-ready short. Send it to them directly. Prove you are a specialized asset before you ever ask for a single dollar. You have just neutralized their risk. Volume negates luck. If you send 100 of these highly personalized, value-first pitches, it is mathematically impossible for you to remain broke. This is a game of probability, not chance. Chapter 4: The Value Equation. Step 4: The pitch and the price. Stop selling your time. This is the hardest psychological shift you must make. You are not an employee, and you are not a freelancer charging hourly. You must start selling transformations and outcomes. A business owner does not care that you spent 10 hours working on a project. They care about one thing. What is the transformation your project creates? If your high retention editing increases their conversion rate and brings them $10,000 in new sales, your 10 hours of work are irrelevant. This is the secret code to charging premium prices. If you can solve a $10,000 problem, they will happily pay you $1,000 or $2,000 to solve it. Why wouldn't they? It's a guaranteed ROI. You are not charging for the literal pushing of buttons. You are charging for the years it took you to develop the precision to know which buttons to push, and in what order and with what taste. Disconnect your income from your clock. Price based on the massive, measurable value you are bringing to the table. We don't sell editing services. We sell increased engagement and automated lead generation. The price tag changes accordingly. Chapter 5: Dark Focus. Step 5: Monomaniacal focus. This is the final, ultimate bottleneck. You have the blueprint. You understand the architecture. But now comes the question: can you execute it when no one is watching? When the hype fades? Making 100K in your 20s requires what I call dark focus. Dark focus is the stoic execution. It is the ability to lock yourself in the shadows and build when the world is chasing cheap dopamine. It requires the ability to say no, saying no to weekend parties, saying no to addictive endless scrolling, saying no to superficial status symbols, saying no to friends and opportunities that do not align with the empire you are trying to build. You have to learn to love the boring, repetitive work. Mastering the top 1% isn't sexy. It is tedious. It is repetition. It is silence. You must become a stoic in your execution. While your peers are chasing temporary status on social media, you are quietly building a permanent asset in the dark. Let them laugh. Let them doubt. The results will speak so loudly when the time comes they will think you are lucky. Only you will know about the dark focus that built it all. Here is the unspoken truth. Watching this video, just like reading a book, will not make you rich. Aggressive, unreasonable, and strategic action will. The blueprint is in your hands. The architecture is sound. Now you must choose to build. If you are ready to stop making excuses, if you are ready to upgrade your mindset from average to elite, and if you are ready to join the small percentage who actually execute, hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notifications. We are building empires here. Welcome to the Zaeim mindset. Action is the only language we speak.